Today you're going to learn how to fix Discord screen share with no audio in 2026 if you're sharing your screen, but others can't hear any sound. Don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed easily in this video. You'll learn 2 of the most effective solutions that solve most audio problems during screen sharing, and we're going to go step by step so you can follow along. So let's start with the first solution, which is sharing the correct application with sound enabled. This is the most common mistake people make. When you share your entire screen, Discord may not capture audio properly, so here's exactly what you need to do first. Open Discord and join a voice channel now. Click on the Share Your Screen button. At this point, you'll see 2 main options, one for sharing your entire screen, and another for sharing a specific application. Instead of selecting your full screen, choose the application you want to share. For example, if you're watching a video, select your browser window now before you start sharing. Look for the option that says Sound or Include Audio. Make sure this option is turned on. This is very important. If this option is off, your viewers won't hear anything. Now start the screen share play audio in the app you selected. Ask someone in the call if they can hear it. If they can, then the issue is solved. If not, don't worry. Let's move to the second solution. The second solution is checking and fixing your system audio settings. Sometimes the issue is not Discord, but your computer's audio configuration. So here's how to fix it step by step. First, right-click on the sound icon in your taskbar. Then click on Sound Settings. Now make sure the correct output device is selected. For example, your speakers or headphones next. Scroll down and click on Advanced Sound Settings. Look for the App Volume and Device Preferences section. Make sure Discord is using the correct output device. Now go back and scroll to Input Settings. Check that your microphone is also set correctly. Now, open Discord settings, go to Voice and Video. Scroll down to the Audio settings. Make sure the input and output devices match your system settings. Now, here's another important step. Turn off the option called Use an Experimental Method to Capture Audio. If it's enabled, sometimes this feature can cause audio issues. Also, try turning off hardware acceleration in Discord settings. To do this, go to Advanced, find Hardware Acceleration, and turn it off, then restart Discord. Now, try sharing your screen again with audio in most cases. This will fix the issue. Now, here are a few extra tips to avoid this problem in the future. Always share a specific application instead of your full screen when audio is important. Keep Discord updated to the latest version and make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Also, avoid switching audio devices while screen sharing because that can interrupt the sound. After applying these 2 solutions step by step, your screen share audio should work normally. And that's how you can fix Discord screen share with no audio in 2026, using 2 simple but very effective methods.